5 money saving tips for students. 1. Sign up for loyalty or reward cards. They're free and allow you to accumulate points as you spend over time. These points can then be used as money to purchase items in store. I would recommend you sign up for a loyalty card at your nearest supermarket and pharmacy. For example, if your nearest supermarket is Sainsbury's, get an extra card. And if your nearest pharmacy is Boots, get an Advantage card. 2. Plan your food shopping. Planning your meals in advance means you know exactly how much you need to spend and minimizes food waste. Pre-planned meals also mean you'll be less inclined to order takeaway, which will save you a surprising amount of money. 3. Purchase generic items whenever possible. They're exactly the same as brand name items, but at a highly reduced price. 4. Create a monthly budget. This helps to keep track of your finances. It's harder to be frivolous when you see where your money is going. 5. Shop in wholesale. Buying a certain amount of items in bulk is usually cheaper than buying the same amount of items but individually over time. You can also split the items and therefore the cost between friends. If you'd like a few bonus money saving tips for students, do check out the video I published on the 15th of August called 10 Things I Wish I Knew Before University Started, if you haven't already, especially if you're studying somewhere with high living costs. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video was helpful to you.